Hey students, today we'll talk about change of auxiliary verbs while we are changing active voice into passive voice. First of all, we'll have an overview of auxiliary verbs. Do, does, did, will, shall, is, am, are, was, were, will be, shall be, has, have, had, will have, shall have been, had been, will have been, shall have been. I'll make a complete lecture on active voice, change of active voice to passive voice. But now we are focusing on change of auxiliary verbs. You should take it as a mnemonic that this finger is poor, this finger is rich, this finger is poor. For example, as you must have seen in your locality, that those who are poor they borrow things from their neighbors. So in the same way, it will borrow auxiliary verb. It has do does. It will borrow auxiliary verb is mr. It has second form of the verb in positive sentence or did. It will borrow auxiliary verb was or were. It has will shall. It will borrow will be shall be. This finger is rich. It will not borrow any auxiliary verb from any other part. It will keep its own auxiliary verbs. This finger again is poor. It borrows auxiliary verbs from its neighbors. It has have. It borrows has been, have been. It has had. It borrows had been. It have, will have, shall have. It borrows will have been, shall have been. There are no passive voice for this finger. So wait for the next video in which I will teach you the complete lecture how to change active voice into passive voice. Thank you so much.